Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register samples for fixed equipment using FluidLife's myLab. First, select the Setup Samples task from the myLab homepage. As you typically take a few samples from many units, we're going to use the Setup by Component List method. Then select the customer or location the samples are in. Next, the entire component list for that customer is displayed. I'll use the checkboxes on the left to select the components that I've sampled. Now I'll select the Setup Samples button to start the registration. On-screen labels appear for my samples. The dates are already filled in as today for me. As that's correct, I'll leave them alone. I could change them all at the same time, here. You may have noticed the message forecast unavailable due to insufficient data, below the usage information. myLab will use and forecast from previously entered service meter data if it's available. This message is letting me know that it isn't. We recommend that you track the usage of your equipment and the oil. Knowing that information helps the lab provide better recommendations. As these samples are from multiple units, I'll enter the meter readings on each sample. As I do so, the correct unit service, component service, and oil service is calculated for me if this information is available on previous samples. I'll also let the lab know which components had the oil changed when the sample was taken by checking off the changed box for them. Now that the information is correct, I'll click the Create Labels button here. And now I can see the finished labels. I've got two choices at this point. I could write the tracking numbers shown here on the jars, or I can print labels to stick on the jars. I'll do that. As I have a label printer, I'll leave the format here alone and click the Print button. I now have a PDF of my labels ready to print. Once they're printed, I'll place them on the jars and close this tab. That completes the sample registration. Thank you for watching.